Hello and welcome kids. How are you all? Today we are going to discuss the president's job. So president is the leader of the executive branch of the government. Do you know what the president does? Let's find out. Citizens of a country vote for a new president every 4 years. They choose from a group of people called candidates. These candidates want to become the next president of the country. But not everyone can be a president. There are a few special rules. The candidate must be a national citizen. The candidate must be 35 years old. Someone who has been living in the country for at least 14 years. When a new president is elected, they become the leader of the executive branch. The president is also the commander-in-chief of country's armed forces. The ceremony marked the beginning of a new president's duty. Takes place in the front of Capitol building in the Washington, D.C. At the ceremony, the new leader of the country promises to preserve and protect the constitution of the country. Each morning, the president of the country goes to the office to work. One of the president's duty is to sign important papers. This can include bills passed by the houses of the parliament. He also appoints a group of people to advise and assist him in his duties. Together, these people form the cabinet. Army commanders, ambassadors, and Supreme Court judges are also nominated by the president. He also travels all around the world to talk to other leaders. Whoa! The president is indeed a busy person, isn't it, kids? Well, I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.